Tutor Polly here, back with another question. Finally, trig integrals are tricky. Today we have the integral of cosecant cubed of x dx. Well, you should know right off the bat that you can split up cosecant cubed into cosecant squared times cosecant. And just like you could split up x cubed into x squared times x. So anything squared, or anything that can be split up into something squared or an even exponent, you should really know. That's like a flashing red light. That's going to be a trig identity. Go look up your trig identities on the trig cheat sheet online. That's 1 plus cotangent squared. We like this because of the addition sign, and now we can distribute cosecant. So you'll get two separate integrals, the integral of cosecant plus the integral of cotangent squared cosecant dx. At this point, the integral of cosecant is done. There's 4 different choices you have for them. I choose the ln of cosecant minus cotangent, whatever. Now we have another problem, and this is where our problem lies here, and that is the integral of cotangent squared cosecant. Well, you can split this up into cotangent times cosecant times cotangent. This is integration by parts. Here we have the integration by parts formula in the top right. We have the integral of u dv equals uv minus the integral of v du. Whatever the integral of v du is, that has to be easier. There must be some benefit compared to the integral that we have currently, which is cotangent squared times cosecant. So we have to have some benefit there with the integral of v du. So we have to make our choices for what we've been given. We have to choose u and choose dv. Well, if you choose u to be cotangent, du is negative cosecant squared. Okay? The rest of the integral in the pink must be dv. And the integral of cosecant cotangent is negative cosecant. Okay, you gotta know your trig derivatives as well, because the derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant cotangent. Okay? So at this point, we're just going to plug in to our formula. There's uv, okay? Now minus the integral of v du. We have a lot of negatives flying around, so pay close attention to that. The part here in the green, minus cotangent cosecant, that's the uv, that's done. We're happy about that. Now we have minus the integral of cosecant cubed of x dx. Wait a second. Don't you recognize that? We started with this integral. Well, write it out in one line with the equal sign. There's the integral of cosecant cubed x dx equals all of what we have. Those integrals on the left side and the right side are like terms. We can add the integral from the right side to the left side. Now we have 2 of them. Simply divide by 2. At this point, you are done. You add plus c.